magigiting at magagandang Makati City. Bago ko ibigay sa inyo ang pahayag ng ating Pangulo, ay nais ko munang balik tanaw sa mga ating plinano ngayong taon. Tinawag ko yung magigiting dahil binuno natin ng isang taon na kahit napakahirap sa lahat ng bagay, ay makakaraos pa rin tayong lahat. Magaganda kasi maganda ang inyong kalooban at inyong inuunawa kung ano ngayon ang sitwasyon ng ating kumpanya. Sana sa susunod taon, patuloy ninyo ang pagiging magigiting at pagiging maganda ang kalooban. So, may lima tayong mga malalaking plano ngayong taon. Balikan po ang aking mahawag ng handbook. Yung una ay yung pagiging positive. So yun nga, marami tayong ginawa ng mga paraan para mawasan ang mga cost natin. Pero unfortunately, mukhang hindi pa sapat ang mga ginawa natin, hindi pa rin sapat ang mga sales na binigay sa atin ng Japan. So ang mga tayong magagawa natin next year, magpursige tayo dito na mag-tap ng local market at ipagdasal na ang International Trade Department ng Japan at ang local sales department ng Japan ay maraming makuha pang orders para sa 2010. Yung pangalawa is yung cash flow. So hindi ko na mabanggitin ito dahil nagagawa natin yung pasa ng report ng cash flow natin. Yung pangatlo yung marketing activities ng CP. Unang binalak na ating Pangulo na maglagay ng kapun dito. Pero yun nga, wala pang unfortunately hindi na tumuloy yung plano na yun. At hindi na tinuloy ni President Wada. Si President Wada ang nag-decide na hindi na i-hire yung kapun na yun. And good news nga rin na sasara natin ang taon na to na meron tayong local sales na printer. So first time na local sales tayo ng DP2 na barcode printer sa Smartmatic. Masaya-masaya si President Wada na nasigurado natin yung sales na galing sa Smartmatic for the 24 units. Pang-apat na plano sa pag-review ng mga stocks. Hirapan tayo mag-review yung stocks natin kung magkaroon tayo ng tamang stock sa ating warehouse kasi nga hindi naging cooperative ang existing. Kailangan natin i-release. So lahat kayo aliktado, lahat tayo aliktado. Hanggang ngayon, nag-i-invent. Ngayon, tama-tama, adjustment time. Hindi man adjustment time, talagang humabol pa ang last part. So, yung next bukas, ma-ship natin yung ilang units pa na nila para sa sales natin ngayong taon. And then yung pang-lima, yung ISO 14,000, and then ito naging posible kung hindi lahat sa tulong natin. At maraming pasalamat din natin kay Sally sa pag-lead ng mga activities towards obtaining the ISO 14,000 certification. So, bago yung sa ni President Wada, dapat palpakan natin ang sarili natin at makaraas tayo ng ang pahayag, ang mensahe ng President Wada sa wikang English. My dear CP family, to start, I would like to express my heartfelt respect to the efforts and perseverance of all members who have strived under this great business depression which happens once every 100 years. Even at SICL, we have resolutely carried out reduction of expenses and labor costs to the utmost extent such that we were able to reduce the deficit. So pareho tayo ginawa nila, so may mga cost reduction sa ginawa. We had an internal stance in which numerous business negotiations due to the efforts of the marketing staff came into fruition. Marami silang mga inquiries. Kung sa atin, marami inquiries kaya so mas malalaking inquiries nila sa malaking volume. We will be positive in one shot, but all big supermarkets are in the deficit, in the red, such that business negotiations were stalled beyond our expectation. So hindi natuloy yung mga inquiries, malaking sales inquiries sa SICL. Although we are in the recession, food product sales in supermarkets were not greatly affected. But in this recession, there is a great drop in the amount of sales as well as in the volume. This is how serious this business depression is. We have to end this year in this situation, but similar to our personal lives, in which time will come when we have to persist. It's difficult now, but we must bite the bullet. Together, let us hang on. This perseverance will all be the harbinger or forerunner of happiness. Even under this management environment, SICL has already started the new development project. So ito yung Neo 3 ulit, then Ishida. Shinsei Solutions is challenging itself in tapping new market and development of new production which utilizes QR code is being implemented. I was informed of the good news that CP was able to clinch the order for 24 units. These are all harbinger of happiness, forerunner of happiness. Let us pray that we will have a brighter and happier Christmas. I pray that year 2010 will be a happy year for all city members. December 16, 2009, City President Chairman Takahiko Wada. Kaya lang po at enjoy po tayo ngayong Christmas party. Sa magbabakasyon, po tayo